In today's video, I'll show you how to install first-person mod in Mafia Definitive Edition. Check my video description for this first-person mod download link. Select the download option. Once download done, check my video description for this script hook download link. Once you download that, select folder icon and right click on this first-person mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Open this first person and open install. Drag and drop these two folders inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination, and then go back, open the script hook, drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder and replace. Once done, launch the game. Once you are in game, press the C key in the keyboard to change the camera view. And now as you can see, we are in the first person view. Now you can enjoy the game on first person camera. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.